In an administered paper-based assessment, you need to let CrowdMark know where one question starts and where the next question starts, and you do that by including question labels. And this process will happen after you've uploaded your template to CrowdMark. The next step is to go ahead and click on questions from here in the middle, or on the left-hand side you can select questions from the navigational sidebar. Once you get to this page, you'll select Label Questions, and from here, this is where you are going to select Add a Question Label. That's going to drop a question label on the page, and you drag and drop it to where that question begins. From here, you can change the label of the question, update the points, and assign a bonus question if you wish. Select Add Question Label to generate a new question label, and then drag and drop it down to the next question. From here you can update the question label and points as well. Any multiple choice questions do not need to be labeled, and that is because when you set up your template in CrowdMark, you will enable a multiple choice page, and that will generate a bubble sheet at the end of the assessment where students are going to complete their answers on the bubble sheet, and that's automatically graded. Once you've added your question labels, select Save. These question labels can be updated at any stage, so if you need to move where the location is, change the points, add or remove a bonus question, you can do that by coming back to questions on the left-hand side, coming back to labeling your questions from here, and then clicking Save.